Hi everybody, my name is Georgia Todd. I'm here to take over the Kali Orexi kitchen to make my beautiful baklava recipe. My heritage is Greek. I was actually born in Greece, and all my family members are born in Greece, in a little place called Vasiliki, which is close to Nafaktos. Probably people know that one more. I'm a very social person. I love to go out, especially going out for dinner, eating Greek food, and enjoy myself being around people. I'm a very people person and creative as well. I love cooking, especially trying to perfect recipes, and this is the recipe that I've been working on for a long time, and people enjoy it, so I hope you enjoy it and come and do it with us. Now,
delicious. It's beautiful.
Hello, this is the end result of our baklava. We just drenched it with the beautiful syrup, which was nice and cool. And we need to leave it rest overnight. It's the best results are to actually leave it overnight, and then it'll be the perfect baklava. I really hope that you have a go at making this baklava. I believe you'll be able to do it even better than me, I'm sure. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And Kali Orexi.
Beautiful Georgia made this treasure of a baklava recipe yesterday, and we've left it overnight for all the syrup to be absorbed within the layers of phyllo, and now it's time to serve it. So let's do it. Okay, it's got some very handy dandy handles, and I'm going to very carefully remove it from the pan with the handy dandy handles. All of the syrup has been absorbed. It looks absolutely magnificent. It is a deep golden brown colour. It's been phenomenally baked thanks to the olive oil. And now I'll just cut out a piece. Okay, pulling it up. Okay, there it is. Look at that. Nutty layers, deep, dark, golden, caramelized brown. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. Okay, now to try it. Amazing. Intensely aromatic, nutty, sweet, and delicious. Thank you, Georgia. It's incredible. Yasa hiegesu. Kali Orexi kiyasos. Subscribe, save and share this video so we can make more quality content for you.